This recipe is for blackened catfish. You'll start by using a blend of seasonings to season both sides of your fish. You'll find the ingredients to this recipe in the description. Here I'm going to season both sides of the fish. Make sure to rub and press the seasoning into the fish on both sides. Put a little olive oil into a hot pan. Lay your fillets into the pan and cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. When you flip the fish over, you should see the fish browned and slightly blackened. Add a little butter to your pan, let it melt, and then baste the fish with the butter. When it's done, your fish should look like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.